Hey guys, so this is going to be my new channel now. This is Car Life. Instead of it being Process Year 32, this is going to be Car Life right here. And this is going to be all about my project cars that I'm currently working on right now as I'm filming this. This is a 2001 Toyota Corolla Sport version. This is the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder that went from 1998 to the 2002 model. This is all actually in good shape, but there is a little bit of flaws into it, but not too bad as it was before I restored it a little bit. This is a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder 1ZZ FE engine. Brand new alternator put in. Going to be doing a little bit of engine work too a little bit soon. Paint for now is just a little bit on the tough side a little bit, but not as bad. We have got, let's see, I think these are 15s on the all the way around. These are 15-inch wheels. We got disc in the front, drums in the back, and surprisingly, this has a total number of 337,328 miles, and that is no joke. This is all original miles, nothing done to it. Interior, actually in immaculate shape. Shifter boot is unfortunately torn. But other than that, the dash bezel is in good shape. This is all junkyard parts, to remind you. This ain't all brand new. Radio molding is junkyarded. The climate control is all junkyarded. All works properly. Shifts pretty crisp. But, yeah, I mean, it starts up fine. Runs good. Has a little bit of a high idle because that's the way it's programmed to be, the way I did it. I mean, as soon as you get into a gear and everything, it'll slow down. Door panels, this one and the one over there are not original. Unfortunately, I had to junkyard these parts. But as we move to the back, all of the window motors in this car are refurbished, or I personally put them in from a junkyard door I made. This door panel is starting to crack away. It's starting to rot away because there is fiberglass under it, which I promise you guys, I will be doing a DIY video on this soon, so stay tuned for that. Tint obviously is in very good condition. Paint, man, look at this paint though. Like, it can't get any better than that. It was horrible before. Trunk space. Don't mind the mess. It is a original trunk liner and everything. Good, decent trunk space. There is a little bit of chipping on the bumper from here, and just a little bit, just minor chipping. Just a little bit of that, just left over. The bumper is unfortunately scratched. That's not gonna be hard to do. And as for over here, this one's actually in decent shape. It is starting to crack though, so I'm gonna have to do all rear door panels. The windows do work. Seat belts are in immaculate shape. Seats are very mint, except for a little bit of fade to it from it being out in the sun. Trim is going to be coming soon. I'm going to put all new trim on it, new molding, new weather stripping. Come over to the passenger door, and yes, the trim is missing right here. I got some panel clips. This is not the original door panel. I junkyarded this one too. Immaculate. Look, it doesn't even look like it's junkyarded. So, if you guys want to see more about this same car, comment below. Let me know if you guys want to see how to remove door panels, how to remove the headlights, how to remove the whole assembly, how to put in windshield washing nozzles, how to put in a battery, how to put in anything. If you guys want to know anything, comment down below and I'll do it.